Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about recording a test in our case-based Taiko. Okay, this is basically recording functionalities from Taiko system. Okay, it is basically Taiko related stuff. It is not related to Gauge. Okay, and if you see, this is basically a block box testing it will take, and they are providing the information how you can able to use the text for the Google and searching for that and everything. Okay, they are provide the some commands how to open and all. If you go down, there is a commands recording steps how you can able to record. Even after that, you can able to save your file as well. Okay, how you can able to do this particular one. For this, you can take any folder or directly also. There is no problem, and I'm taking here and here I'm opening for command prompt. Okay, and this command prompt I'm going to use. Okay, for this, they are provide the command you have to use for recording purpose. You need to npx techo. This particular record, what will happen? It will initiate that entire techo system and it will launch the techo promptings. Okay, and it will provide that API versions. Okay, that is Chrome, which is the latest version available in your particular system. That particular system or browser, it will open. Okay, that Chromium is available now. Now what we need to do that we need to give the API Teco API's commands. What is the Teco API command? Open browser. Open browser is our API command. Now I provide the API command. It is opening. Now you can see the live based it is providing for your command here. Okay. Now what else we can do for go to because we need to go to the browser. Now I'm going to use for www.google.com. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now you can see it is provided for URL. Now I want to see my title. Okay, which then I'm going to use for title. Enter. See, Google is the title. Our title is also same. I want to enter into the text box. Okay, we have for command for write, and then we have the path as well, and you can able to use for directly also. Now I'm going to use for direct. See. Wow, direct is not so not going. Okay, it is not taking direct. Sometimes it will take the direct also, but okay, no issue. We can take that name field is there. Okay, that is box, and this is area name as a queue. Okay, we'll take the name field. Okay, and here what we can do testing is a common. Okay, comma into. Okay, I'll create for CSS selector for this. Okay, and I can use for name equal to the single quotation Q and braces close and it is the three close. Okay, enter. Why it is not connecting? It should connect actually. Navigation is imperfect. It is there. Okay, I'll close everything and I will reopen one more time. NPX Teco. Okay, open browser and we can use for go to www.google.com. Okay, it is opened. and console.log I'm going to use for await title. Okay, now I'm going to use for write, and then I'm going to use for testing. Okay, and comma into a dollar, then I'm going to use for double quotation square brace name equal to single quotation q, a close double quotation and three times. Now see, now it is enter. Sometime it will happen, but it will click that exactly value what we are expected. Now this is the one we need to click. Okay. Now I will use for click directly for Google search. Okay. I'll open the browser. I can keep it here and enter. Now it is click that testing and it will come sometimes, right? And we can choose that. Okay. Now if you come software testing, Wikipedia is there. Now I need to click software testing. Okay. Software testing one. See highlighted and it is clicked. It is Wikipedia came. Okay. Now if you want to end check title, we have already title for title software testing Wikipedia. You can see right now all the things are there. Now how to export this code? For the exporting purpose also they have given the command called dot code. If you provide the dot code, now you can see dot a code and enter. You can see it is provided for the code of JavaScript, which is the JavaScript is there. That particular JavaScript directly Taiko code it is provided. You can use for directly constant this browser. No need to use for gaze commands which if you are using for open browser and all directly you can able to do that as well here. You can use the async function creation and there you can able to log creation and clicking and everything it is provided for that particular place. Now, do I need to copy or do I need to save it? Yes, you can able to save because you are already open in the specific folder. How to save it? Then it's the same one dot code space test dot js file. You have to save into a JavaScript because it will provide as a JavaScript. If you enter, it is saved. Okay. Go back to that particular folder. Now you can see here it is there. If you open into a notepad, now you can see same code which we are exported, right? The same code. It is created for try catch block. Okay, finally block also to close the browser as well. Automatically it is provided. Now you will get one more question. Can I close that particular browser which is open in the command part? Yes, you can able to use. You can use for close browser and braces and enter. Now you can see browser is closed. That will work for perfectly without any issue. Okay. Like this, you can able to record any video, sorry, any script, okay, using your commands. Okay, assertion I'm not tried. Okay, I have to try it as well. You also tried that assertion whether you can able to use into that particular place. Okay, we'll see that. In case if you are not able to get it, please comment on that. I will also try for that the command prompt whether I can able to do it or not. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.